All right, the West Africa history. Let me give you a brief overview, and this is my first theme. There was a West African professor called Abdulrahman el-Sati, and he wrote a book called Tariq el-Sudan. Tariq, roughly speaking, means history or time, and then el-Sudan, it literally means black, history of the land of the blacks. And this was written in 1656, and he wrote, "I saw the ruin and collapse of the science of history. I observed that its gold and small change were both disappearing." And he was the pioneering scholar to divide the history of the West African desert belt into the rise and fall of three empires: ancient Ghana, medieval Mali, and the Songhai Empire. So where were these empires? This is a map drawn by the very great professor W.E.B. Du Bois, and you can see that ancient Ghana is in a different place to where Ghana is today. And then it has its rise, and then it fell. And then there was a second empire in the region that he calls Melistine. Everybody else calls Mali. And then you've got the third empire in the same region, just bigger, called the Songhai Empire. Now, Songhai is how we say it in English. Some people think that should be pronounced Songhai, but we'll just keep the pronunciation simple. Okay, ancient Ghana. This was the first of the West African desert empires, and at its height in the 10th and 11th centuries AD, the empire ruled territories that we would today call Senegal, Gambia, Guinea, Mauritania, and Mali. The capital city was called Kumbi-Saleh, and there were two waterways running through the empire. One was called the Senegal River, and the other one was called the Niger River.